All of these initiatives we are relaunching today, and this is our steadfast commitment, ensuring that Manila Water Company, the Manila Water Enterprise, through the Manila Water Foundation, and our sustainability group will be able to really strengthen our health and our agenda to make sure that we are helping conservation of the environment and we are providing sustainable access to the communities where these watersheds belong.
So this is what impact looks like. So institutions, experts, and communities working side by side to create sustainable solutions. So Manila Water Foundation exemplifies how a social development arm can extend its reach to the grassroots level with purpose and urgency. Kami sa Upscale ay patuloy na sumusuporta sa mga inisyatiba ng Manila Water Foundation. Sa aming kakayahan at network, nandito kami para maging tulay sa mga tao upang matulungan na mas umusbong ang mga komunidad ng Manila Water Foundation na sinusuportahan. Let us continue building stronger communities and a stronger nation through innovation and collaboration.
Nakakita tayo ng partner with Manila Water Foundation. Ang laki-laki po ng nagagawa ng cooperation and support assistance of Manila Water and Manila Water Foundation. Dahil naaabot po natin yung mga dapat nating abutin ng mga community. Lalo-lalo na yung ginawa natin sa Sabang Munti, lagi yan sa Ipo. Nandyan ang Barangay Magsaysay, Infanta, Quezon. Nakagawa tayo ng water system nila at talaga namang ibinigay natin sa kanila ano ba ang kalagahan ng WAS, Water and Sanitation advocacy natin.
I commend the Manila Water Foundation for your unwavering dedication to building resilient and sustainable communities. May your ripples of hope continue to expand, inspiring greater environmental awareness and action across our nations. Muli, maraming salamat at isang makatarungan at nakakalikasang araw po sa atin.